It's time to weld. Hi everyone, I'm Nico here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to be talking about Blue Demon's BD-1000. BD-1000 is a universal welding electrode that can be used for all general mild steel welding applications. This electrode can be ran in all positions: flat, vertical, horizontal, and overhead on AC or DC straight polarity. Typical applications for BD-1000 include general purpose fabrication, galvanized steelwork, and shipbuilding. Since I'm running 1/8 inch material, I'll set the machine to DC EP in the MMA setting and run it at 70 amps. This electrode has a self-lifting slag property. Now let's test this rod out on AC. We'll switch to the AC setting, keep it in MMA, and leave our amperage at 70. This electrode can be bent without flux breakage. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll get back to you ASAP.